Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with Stock Market Mentor and Crypto Market Mentor. And the chart I want to talk to you about today is Gemini. This is ticker GEMI. Now, Gemini is a crypto exchange, but it's one that had news today. Evidently, they're going to be getting into prediction markets. And that seems to be something the market likes. We had a big move today coming on Gemini on some of the biggest buy volume this stock has ever had. It's been a bit of an ugly IPO since its launch in September of 2025, where it sold off and then trickled down and down and down, and things were looking pretty dire up until today, where we had that news coming on volume. Now, I certainly think that this stock is a bit extended off of near-term support, but I think it's one to watch, and here's why. Because if I look at the information on this stock, we see that Gemini has a market capitalization of $1.76 billion, just $1.76 billion. Now, for comparison, Robinhood has a market cap of $110 billion. And so Gemini could hypothetically go 10x from where it is now, and the stock would still be only a tenth as valuable as Robinhood. Now, I know that Gemini doesn't do a lot of stocks or anything, but I gotta think, if Gemini starts getting into tokenized stocks and maybe even offering a stock trading platform itself, I think Gemini could catch up to Robinhood, maybe not all the way, but enough to make it worth watching for a trade. And so I would definitely watch Gemini for a bit of a pullback to support or a momentum move above today's intraday high in and around $15.30. So I would look for a move through 15.30 for a momentum trade. Now, a momentum trade, in my opinion, is something that you're just kind of riding until it kicks you off. So you want tight risk reward. You don't want a wide stop. And then you just kind of want to ride it, like I said, until it stops going up. And so that's the kind of trade I would look for here on Gemini in the near term. Otherwise, I'd look for a bit of a pullback to the key moving averages and maybe a green day bounce or even a higher low to define new risk. But I certainly think Gemini should be on your watch list just because of the market capitalization difference between it and Robinhood, because I think that there's probably a lot of good news still to come on Gemini's side that Robinhood already has priced in. So that's just one of many things we're looking at tonight at Stock Market Mentor and Crypto Market Mentor. I hope that video is helpful. My name is Scott McGregor. I'll see you next time.